got a flash on the corner, so I need to take that off. And then I use a round bladed knife because it cuts through the wood easier. You can rock it backwards and forwards just to clean up the edges. Then those are held together with these pegs. You can see where there's a joint across there. You have to cut that joint out. That is the pip that joins the model to the scrap wood. You see a curved blade. You just nick that nicely. Unfortunately, that's come apart, so that'll have to be glued together before I do the next stage. There. That is now scrap wood. That can be binned. I'll get that glued up first. Ordinary PVA. I can stick on that piece that decided not to cut out neatly, and then that bit of PVA will glue through that peg. Make sure they haven't come through too far. There comes the fun part. I spread PVA all over. And the wheel back to back. That gives you the distance between the wheels on the finished item. That should just slip over the pegs. No, in my luck, it's not going to. This piece goes on top. And there we have a back-to-back gauge for setting wheels for 32 millimeters. I'm wiping off all this glue that's squeezed out. Now I can put this in a vise, hold it firm until the glue has dried, which won't take very long.